You order an Uber. The app says 5 minutes. You wait. 5 minutes pass. Nothing. You check the app. The driver is not moving. 10 minutes now. Your flight is in 1 hour. You start to panic. What do you do? What do you say? Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. We use Uber every day, but sometimes the driver is late. Sometimes he can't find you. Sometimes he's not moving on the map. In these moments, you need to act fast, and you need clear, short sentences. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about a late Uber. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into short, practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when your Uber is late. Let's begin. First, just listen. Last month, I had an early morning flight. I ordered an Uber from my hotel. The app said the driver was 5 minutes away. I stood outside with my luggage and waited. 5 minutes passed. No driver. I checked the app. The driver was not moving on the map. I called him through the app. "Hello," I said. "My Uber is late. Are you coming?" He said he was stuck in traffic. "I'll miss my flight," I said. "Can you come to the main entrance?" He said he was close. 2 more minutes passed. Still nothing. I called again. He's not moving, I thought. I canceled the ride. I went back to the hotel reception. "Excuse me," I said. "Any other drivers available?" The receptionist called a taxi for me immediately. I arrived at the airport just in time. Short sentences, fast decisions, problem solved. Now, let's practice the key sentences. These are short, easy to remember, easy to use. Listen first, then speak with me. My Uber is late. My Uber is late. 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away. Come to the main entrance. Come to the main entrance. I waited 15 minutes. I waited 15 minutes. Cancel and book another. Cancel and book another. He's not moving. He's not moving. Any other drivers? Any other drivers? I'll miss my flight. I'll miss my flight. Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last month, I had an early morning flight. I ordered an Uber from my hotel and waited outside with my luggage. The app said 5 minutes, but the driver wasn't moving on the map. I called him through the app. "My Uber is late. Are you coming?" He said he was stuck in traffic. "I'll miss my flight," I said. "Can you come to the main entrance?" He said he was close. But 2 more minutes passed and nothing arrived. I canceled the ride. I went back to the hotel reception. "Excuse me, any other drivers available?" The receptionist called a taxi immediately. I arrived at the airport just in time. Short sentences, fast decisions, problem solved. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1, always call the driver if he is late. Just say, "My Uber is late. Are you coming?" Short and clear. Number 2, if the driver is not moving, cancel early. Don't wait too long. Every minute matters when you have a flight. Next time you order an Uber, watch the map. If the driver stops moving, call him immediately. Say, "He's not moving." Cancel and book another. 2 sentences. That's all you need. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you waited for a ride. Maybe Uber, maybe a taxi. Write 1 sentence in the comments, in English. For example, "My Uber was late and I almost missed my flight." Great work today! Every episode, your English gets a little better. Keep going. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.